we're at Lowe's, and you're gonna find something that is so rare at this place. Yep, you're gonna find it. It's a washer that starts with an M, and can you try to guess it before it's too late? This is LG. Or the rest of the charging size. LG's new burger. Looks like a little baby one on the inside. Which, yeah. Hi, LG. What are you doing today? Oh, you're just sitting here. Sure. Show how big that thing is. Wow. There's this dryer up there, but I'm not really gonna focus on the ones up there. Okay, there you go. It's kind of like my washer. I wouldn't have like that kind of handle, but see, it does have those. So, got to the worst washers now. I see I'm trying to come out on the top. Here, first are getting out the new Samsungs. It's Mate 10. This is the new Whirlpool design. And the weather, I love it too. Doesn't matter who loves it. It's got these better Whirlpool models, and it's twin. Oh, got the wrong handle once again. And then we start coming here, but if you look to the right, you can kind of tell the washer. But you still can't know it. That's an LG. I'll show you on the camera what it looks like as an agitator. There's another LG with no agitator. And as you can tell on the right, what do you think that is? Can you read this? Millie. We're at Lowe's right now, and I discovered this, so see how really tiny this thing is. I don't know how to stick on. Okay, let's do just a test. How's that? And I found in here. Here's a twin right here. Doesn't smell really good. Ugh, that's what's very disgusting. It's gonna. Hey, Daddy.
Yep.
Smell that.
Smells very clean.
Oh, this area right there.
Yeah, it smells clean. It smells like a detergent.
That smells really disgusting detergent. And I'll just say it. Did find the LG, which we're now gonna test how shrink this really is. Oh no! Look at that. It's really. It's like the door handle. The door's handle is like broken on this thing, but that's very sweet. We found a millie. I don't know why. Because turn it off. There you go. And this has a button. It's probably gonna be noisy at home, but yeah, I know what to do. It's on this cardboard. And then we are really to the street for the test about this. Oh, you're fine, Kate. You don't have to go with that. Have to test it. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do it. Oh, these are very dumb washers. Yeah, so dumb. Profile. I didn't figure it would be there, but it surprised me with one. So let's go all the way over here and see what we got here. Look at those two cues. Cute. I just can't stop looking at it. Yeah, it's kind of weird how it's here. It's like very rare. This is one of these very dumb washers. Yep, song. I mean, I would not dare to buy one. My dad trusts me too. That's a very dare one. Ah! Finally get just the same. Very much they're pretty annoying. Up one we got Whirlpool, which has a removable agitator. Bad one. Oh, Amanda. Her agitator. This one's better. Oh, and we got Amanda dryer. May tag. It says has a month forward May tag. It's May. And it's one of the better. Now, which one do you think looks really stylish? Because this one does just, if you were to know, you can actually tell how you can tell why it's small. Small level right there. Those two trees. Yeah, they're not, the millie and those GEs are not really big, so you never decide to buy one. Except you're gonna buy these. They're cheap. So don't buy them. Here's a cheap dryer don't buy. So don't buy these kind of Maytags. Don't buy them. Don't buy Maytag. Buy. Don't buy it. Whatever I say, you just have to listen to me. Don't buy it. Don't buy it. Oh, well. You actually should buy them. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about those. Oh, well, I don't think we're going to buy profiles. Those are way too easy. And yes, especially these kind of profiles. Okay, I guess I am not really sure. Should I buy one of those? I'm not really sure.
You understand that? What did they say? They have fireworks?
There's a Maytag. I said robotic. And it's the removable actuator. I really hate those things because you don't. Oh, another Maytag. Here's a the new black cheater thing.
Up in the seasonal section when you first walk in.
Shit, they don't have
Yeah,
that.
we have big displays of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then we got this purple and the other.
In
No.
fact, you want to go to Walmart so we can get some fireworks for New Year's Eve?
We do have vacuums up there if you want to buy one. Now, the washer that I really recommend buy, like one of the cuties. Since we have an LG and you've seen it on YouTube, is these two. The reason why I was going to buy these is so you would never see at Lowe's, so you never would see it here, but I guess they are here. But look at this knob. Hear that sound? That's pretty good. Okay, drain and spin on it. Now, take a look at this screen. Not really like a screen, it's more like a panel. That's where you press start. Oh, and yes, the one over there, too. Look at that design. I really wanted to see these cuties, but you shouldn't buy them. It's either the problem because I don't really care if you're gonna buy it, but if you have one at home. Ugh, why is that in the millie? Yeah, take a look what's in there. That's so disgusting.
Don't do that.
That's why I would never try to find one of those. The reason why I would try to find one of these. The detergent smells really bad. It's still kind of clean. The reason why I wouldn't buy this is it has a broken door. You see, like the door had the roof down.
Alright, enough of this, alright?
So I'm really not gonna buy those two or this. This is just kind of copy that. This. So, this is the end of the Lowe's video. And we're gonna name this video Washing Machine with millie and GE small.